If your teleprompter crashes mid-recording, it's almost always one of three things. 1. Memory. Long scripts, we're talking 5,000 words or more, load the entire text into RAM. On older tablets, that's enough to kill the app. 2. The operating system is killing it in the background. If you switch to your camera app or answer a call, iOS and Android shut the teleprompter down to save battery, and when you come back, it's reset. 3. Thermal throttling. If you've been recording for an hour and your tablet's warm, the system is cutting performance, and the apps doing real-time voice processing are the first to go. 2 fixes for all of this. Split long scripts into sections and run the teleprompter on a dedicated device, separate from the camera, separate from your phone. Memory, background suspension, heat. Small habits fix all three. SteadyQ is built to survive long shoot sessions. Get started for free at steadyq.com.